This is Jason, and we are here to unbox an MSI gaming laptop. In fact, I actually got two MSI gaming laptops to unbox today. I'll make two separate videos. This one is a really nice laptop. It is a $1,250 laptop. I'm going to be opening the box for the very first time right now. And there we go. Okay, so inside the brown box, there is a green box. Very cool. So this is the Cyborg laptop. The Cyborg series. I like that they have it in the outer box because now they don't need to do anything with the inner box. We're able to just go ahead and open it right away. So we're unboxing this right now for the very, very first time. Having a little bit of trouble with the gimbal wanting to focus on the wrong stuff. So this gives you the experience of unboxing this beautiful laptop. So we'll put the laptop aside for just a second to see what else is in the box. And we're going to get a quick guide. We have a little, we're here to help sign. And then we, of course, we have the charger and the wire that goes from the computer to the wall. I'm going to leave the other items in there. Very nice. And it's a pretty nice little box. And maybe I'll read you the specs real quick while we have it right here. It is a 15.6 inch, 1440 hertz, 1080p screen. It has a Ryzen 7 260 processor, an RTX 5050 8GB graphics card, 1TB NVMe SSD, 8 gigs of RAM. So it's a pretty basic laptop. 8 gigs of RAM is a little bit low for most people. I would definitely be looking to upgrade that. So let's look at the actual laptop. So it comes in a plastic bag. It's very beautiful. It has a dragon right here. It also has this really cool symbol right there. Don't really know what that means. On the bottom, you can see the vapor chamber area. Lots of the copper. And now we're going to turn it on for the very first time. So when you open it up, you have a piece of cloth on there. So it has all this beautiful styling. You have the sticker that says AMD Ryzen 7, a Geforce RTX, and an HDMI sticker. Oh, wow. I've never seen that. This is actually translucent right here. Let me aim it down a little bit. So you can see it's actually translucent, and you can see inside the thing. WASD also looks like it's translucent. It's a pretty cool little machine. It's definitely, the power button over here is also translucent. So we're going to turn the power on, and we'll see what it does. Let me move the camera over here. I'm assuming it has a charge of some sort. Maybe that's MSI's new gaming Cyborg logo. I know the dragon is their normal logo, but, well, we don't usually do a power on test anyway, so it looks like we're going to have to charge this. This is all translucent. You can actually see components underneath the whole thing. So there's some parts that are much more clear, and then some parts that have this black printed on it. That's a really cool effect that I've never seen any other device have. Let's go around the device real quick and see what we have. So we have Ethernet, USB-A, we have a Kensington lock. It's also the translucent here on the sides. I'm assuming all this translucent has LEDs underneath it. On this side, we have a headphone jack, USB-C, another USB-A, a HDMI, and it has a power plug. And on the back, we have nothing but airflow. Lots and lots of airflow. So it's decently heavy. Well, I was really hoping that we would be able to see it light up. Well, I guess we're going to have to grab the charger. Let's see, I don't want to have to take the wire out, so I'm going to use this wire. So, of course, we are Emerald Computers here in Peoria, Arizona, and we go through and get lots of computer hardware and test that hardware out for you guys and let you guys know. This is just an unboxing video. We're going to have a later video with a much more thorough test. So, it's plugged in now. Let's give it a few seconds. I don't see any lights on the actual charging brick. It does use it looks like a fairly standard, similar, same as the HP Blue Tip charger. So let's see if it turns on now. Okay, cool. So the keyboard definitely lights up, RGB. It's the Windows button. I'm trying to see if there's a button for the RGB. So function F8 or just pressing F8. So do function F8. So function F8 lets you pick different models. You got Bluetooth on off, microphone on off, touchpad on off, all the normal settings, multiple screens. It has an interesting symbol over here. I don't know why they put the asterisk over there instead of on the side. I guess they could have. I've never seen a 10 key do it like that. They always have these symbols on the side. That's a little bit awkward on the keyboard there, as you can probably tell. I was really hoping that all these translucent areas would light up, but I don't see any lights at all. I don't even think there are any lights there. So it's a pretty silent computer. So let's see. I don't really want to break first user experience, so let me go bypass that. It is a stunningly beautiful laptop. It's just very unique. I love this translucent stuff. You can see it here on the sides. It doesn't light up or anything. It's not a super awesome screen. It's just a 1080p screen. It is 144 hertz, so that's going to be really, really good. It does have the sliding little part right here to show you. For the webcam, so you have a manual slide. It also has the IR lights on the webcam so that it can reflect off of your face and be able to do telemetry on your face and be able to unlock your computer that way, which is a much better way than using a password. So we're logging into the administrator account so we don't have to break first user experience. Anyway, so I don't know how much more we want to see on the computer side. It's just going to be a Windows computer, Ryzen 7, as I said, all the specs. So that's it. Have a great day. It looks like a very beautiful machine. The computer, it's 8 gigs of VRAM and 16 gigs of system RAM, just to be clear on that. We got the out-of-the-box experience here. It is 8 cores, 16 logical processors, so it is hyper-threading. Pretty cool. It does have a AMD Radeon 780M built-on graphics card, and then when you play games, obviously it goes to that. It also has the NPU 0 Compute Accelerator, which is pretty neat.